It's not my original one. Earlier, I pressed the wrong button. I think I'm gonna be popular in 2010. That's what I said. Yeah, so I'm not really English. I wish I'm a popular YouTuber. Maybe if I'm gaming, someone would watch my videos. I wanna watch Albert stuff on box in this camera right now. This actually this is a cell phone, so I'm in YouTube to record. If you're, you know, is it cool when I show this to you? Oh, so cool in the camera, but in real life, no. Look.